Hi everyone, welcome to the Bitcoin Beat. In this video we're going to be talking about Solana, a high-performance blockchain platform that has gained significant attention in the world of cryptocurrencies. In just 3 minutes, we'll cover the basics of Solana and give you a glimpse into why it's generating so much buzz. Let's get started. Solana is a decentralized blockchain platform designed for high-speed and scalable applications. It aims to address some of the limitations faced by other blockchains, such as slow transaction speeds and high fees. Solana achieves this by utilizing a unique combination of technologies and design principles. One of the key features of Solana is its blazing fast transaction speeds. While traditional blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum can process only a handful of transactions per second, Solana is capable of handling thousands of transactions per second. This makes it one of the fastest blockchains in the industry. This impressive speed is achieved through its use of a novel consensus mechanism called Proof of History, POH. POH timestamps transactions before they are added to the blockchain, enabling validators to process transactions quickly and efficiently. Scalability is another important aspect of Solana. The platform is built to scale with increasing demand, allowing it to handle a growing number of transactions without compromising performance. Solana achieves this through a unique architecture that divides the network into smaller segments called clusters, each capable of processing transactions independently. This parallel processing capability enables Solana to maintain high throughput, even during periods of heavy network usage. As the demand for blockchain applications grows, Solana's scalability becomes a crucial advantage. Like other blockchain platforms, Solana supports the execution of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They enable developers to build decentralized applications, DApps, on Solana's blockchain. What sets Solana apart is its compatibility with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EEVM. This means that existing Ethereum DApps can be easily ported to the Solana network, expanding the ecosystem and providing developers with a seamless transition to Solana's high-performance environment. Developers can build dApps on Solana using popular programming languages like Rust and C, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. In conclusion, Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform that addresses the limitations of traditional blockchains. Its fast transaction speed, scalability, and support for smart contracts make it an attractive choice for developers and users alike. Solana's growing ecosystem and increasing adoption in various industries indicate its potential to become a significant player in the blockchain space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more news and content on blockchain and cryptocurrencies.